They use the mud, they use the reeds, they use the small poles, and they are keeping somebody inside there. So some people have a fear because of the little money they have. For me, I feel happy when I see someone who is having very little money doing something. Like some of us were like demoralized. Some of us we fear to start because of those big people, because of those people with much money. So let's start with what we have. Let's use the small money we have. Let's use the materials we have in the environment and start something important. Someone else who is somewhere is having some little money and is planning to start, but he has that fear of starting.